In this video, I'll detail how to set timer on Android phone. So if you're using Android phone and you want to set a timer for a particular assignment, whether you have just 5 minutes, but you need a reminder to keep in touch that you've exceeded the time or your time is elapsed, then you can easily set up timer on your Android phone. So if you don't know this video, if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. To set timer on Android phone, what you need to do is open the clock app. If you cannot find the clock app, just search for it and open it. Then once you open the clock app like this, you should see whether you have alarm, watch clock, stopwatch, and then come here and tap timer. Then once you click on timer, this is hour, minute, and second. Then select when you want your timer to start like this. So if you want to spend hours, choose hours, and if you want to select a minute, make sure the hour set to 00, and under minute, set how many minutes you want to spend. So let's say you want to spend just 5 minutes, then select 5 here. And in second, make sure you choose 00. Then after that, go ahead and tap start. Then you see that? So the timer is going to start the countdown. And you're going to see when timer is going to come to an end. And the timer cycle will be reducing until the time elapses. So this is how you can easily set timer on Android phone. If you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.